Let's take a look at the color correction tools in Vegas. First, let's examine the primary color corrector. This looks like the bass, mid-range, and treble controls on a stereo, and you wouldn't be far off thinking of it that way. Let's take a look at our scopes. One control here that we want to click in, the Update Scopes While Playing button, and that allows us to update the waveform monitor and the other scopes as the clips are playing. Note how they're changing. We're going to take a look at the test pattern, and I'm going to engage the primary color corrector. The only change I'm going to make right now is to turn the gain up to 1.5. As you can see, at this point, we have illegal colors. So we're going to use the Broadcast Colors plugin. And now, with that engaged, you can see that we're back within the legal color range. Broadcast Colors works like a clamp. You clamp down on the illegal colors. Use it when keeping colors within the Broadcast Colors range is critical. On our mixer here, the lows are the blacks, the highs are the whites, and the mid-ranges, everything in between. Look what happens as we move these sliders around from top to bottom, left to right, circle around. Notice how the cursor turns into a cross in the video preview window. If I make this cross, draw a rectangle like this, and then start to work with these, you'll note how the image on the right half is updated and the image on the left is the original image. So in this way, we can create interesting effects in contrast to what we had originally. In Vegas, remember, to reset controls, double-click, and they snap right back to where they were. What happens if we raise the gain on an image like this? We're raising both the brightness and the contrast. The color corrector has many presets. Green midtones. This one from Ultimate S, Winter's Coming. Remove Yellow Cast. Many presets. The color wheel allows you to add colors to your image. The angle of the point determines which hue you are adding, and the distance from the center determines the saturation of that hue. So here we're adding a bluish, and we're varying the intensity of that blue with the saturation. A couple of different ways to do things. You can use a preset, or you can click the Adjustment Color button. Let's say we want to adjust the green. Let's first reset this. Reset to none. Let's click on the Choose Adjustment Color button in the lows, and let's get some of this green. Notice that we've effectively upped the green on the right half of this image. We can also choose the complementary color, which is 180 degrees opposite on the color wheel. So now we've added not only the green, we've added the reddish color. The saturation control affects the saturation of colors. The gain adds luminance values across the board. Offset is relative to the color that we're selecting. Gamma adjusts the overall brightness of the video. So using this tool, we can create a significantly different look for our video.